Hey, what's poppin', guys? My name is Dennis Grizzard and welcome to my channel. Here on my channel we discuss personal finance, entrepreneurship, investing, saving, and most importantly, credit. If you guys appreciate videos on personal finance and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you push the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so you know when I drop videos. So today we're going to discuss the stimulus check. And yes, I know the stimulus check came out, but I really feel like with the election just ending that we're going to get another stimulus check here soon, because why not? So this right here is $1,200. $1,200 is not a lot of money, but if used correctly, $1,200 can help you on your wealth building journey. So I am going to talk to you guys today about how to use this $1,200 to help you start to begin that wealth building journey. So we're not going to use that $1,200 to buy Yeezys. We're not going to use that $1,200 to buy Jordans. We're going to use that $1,200 to build for our future. So today we're going to talk about 3 things that you can possibly do to help you grow your wealth using that $1,200 stimulus check. First thing, if you guys know me, you know that I love vending machines. I think that they're a really great investment. I think that it's a really good return on your investment as well, without doing a whole lot of strenuous labor in order to get the money. It makes money while you're not even there. You go about every week, maybe every 2 weeks, and you empty the machine, there's money there. This pays you every month without you even have to do anything except for go and fill the machine. But there's a method to the madness. I'm gonna walk you through it. The first thing you wanna do, you go on OfferUp, you go on Craigslist, you go on Facebook Market, and you find a machine in your price range. This machine should be no more than like $700–800 just to get you started. You can buy a used machine. You go and you find a machine, but you don't contact the seller yet. Once you find the machine that you like, you contact a business that you might be able to place the machine at. Look at barbershops, maybe a laundromat, beauty salon, things like that. They would love to have a vending machine for the people that wait in their lobby. So you ask them, hey,
do you guys have a vending machine?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed.
If they say no, perfect. Let them know that you are willing to bring in a vending machine to their place of business and you're willing to set it up, keep it full, and restock that machine every week. Once they agree to the terms, you go ahead and you contact the seller of this machine. You go and you negotiate the price a little bit if you can. You get the machine in your price range and you go and you move it to this new location. Make sure that you take care of your customers at this location and make sure you keep the machine nice and clean, you keep the machine full, you take inventory, but most important, when you get 100% of your check, which is the money that comes out of the vending machine, you go ahead and you put 30% away immediately, going towards any repairs that need to be made, going towards the snacks that need to be purchased. You need to make sure that you have this money put away, because if you don't, then you're gonna find yourself scrambling later on. One way that you can do it, a physical asset. It's kind of like mini real estate. You put it somewhere, it makes you money, you don't have to really worry about it. You just go and collect, do a little maintenance here and there, and there you go. The next thing you can do with this $1,200 that will really help you is to work on your personal finances. Personal finances is very important because the average American does not have $1,000 in their savings account to take care of an emergency expense. So you want to make sure that you pad your emergency fund right away. That emergency fund should be in a high yield savings account, which you can use bankrate.com to search what the highest yield bank accounts are. You get better return on your money for bank accounts that have no physical branches. You want to make sure that your bank is an online bank, like an Ally Bank, maybe American Express, Discover, something like that. They offer you much higher yields than your traditional bank like Chase Savings Account, Wells Fargo, something like that. Once you have that money put away, you might want to think about investing a little bit. There's great investing apps like Robinhood and M1 Finance that you can get started in buying fractional shares of different stocks just to get your feet wet, just to give you a little taste of what the stock market is like, and you can learn a little bit. Once you learn a little bit, you can invest a little bit more and grow your money over time. Keep your money there if you want to, take it out if you want to, but at least learning and getting started with the stock market is a great tool that you'll have to use moving forward. Before we get into number 3, just want to remind you guys, if you haven't done so yet, please drop a like down below. Hit the subscribe button if you like what you hear so far, and the bell for notifications so you know when I drop new videos. The third thing, and probably the most important and near and dear to my heart, credit. Use this money to improve your credit score. Credit is one of the most important things that you will ever have to manage in your adult life. Make sure that any little debts that you have, you pay those debts off. Small $300 credit cards here and there, you want to make sure that you take care of this, because you'll save money in interest, which is essentially paying you every month so you don't have to pay more interest. So you don't turn a $300 credit card into a $1,000 credit card. It's not smart. If you have all your credit cards paid down to zero and you might have some negative items on your report, you can go ahead and pull your credit report from annualcreditreport.com, check and look for inaccuracies and dispute those. If you need help disputing those, you know I got you, man. My company, Credit Royalty, we can do these disputes on your behalf and help you get those deletions off your credit report. If you want to do it yourself, which you can, more power to you. If you need some guidance, I do have an ebook on my website, creditroyalty.co, that you can get today. This ebook has different dispute letters and dispute tactics in it that you can use to get those deletions off of your credit report. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Once again, my name is Dennis Grizzard, and here on my page we talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, investing, saving, and credit. And if you like these things, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, leave a comment, drop a like, all that good stuff. And I'll see you again, dropping 2 videos a week, so make sure you stay tuned, man. Peace.